This is Borough High Street, which leads up to London Bridge, and as mentioned before, London Bridge was the only crossing in London for 600 years, and on Borough High Street you get all these little alleyways that don't really go anywhere. They're quite narrow. There's maybe a pub or a hostel or just workshops. Not really much going on, but there's loads of them. And the reason is because this whole street was like a sort of terminus for horses and carriages coming in and out of London and people travelling to and from. So embossed or engraved on the pavement are the names of these long forgotten coaching inns, the Spur Inn there. So people would arrive the night before, get a room, get their horse and carriage in the morning and leave. Or similarly, if they arrived late at night, the bridge was often shut, had a drawbridge, so they couldn't get over. So the White Hart, Talbot, that used to be the Tabard actually, York, Queen's Head, and the George. So the George is the only one really left. There was a fire on this stretch of street in the 1670s, so this dates back to 1676. It's the only surviving galleried inn left in London. It's only actually a section of it. The Victorians tore down the rest of it to build bits for London Bridge Station, which don't exist anymore. So originally people would have looked down from these balconies to watch performers. It's how theatre actually started, and that's a whole nother story. So the George, the only surviving galleried inn left in London.